I'm Dawn Payne, registered physiotherapist. Today, let's explore the benefits of manual therapy, one of my core specialties. Early in my career, I trained extensively in manual therapy through the Canadian Physiotherapy Association because I saw firsthand how powerful hands-on healing could be. Manual therapy is precise and personalized, using effective techniques to improve your mobility, relieve pain, and promote faster recovery from injury and persistent conditions. If stiffness, pain, or limited mobility are holding you back, manual therapy could be your solution. Let's get you moving freely.